the story of the creation of the universe. Do you know what the Big Bang Theory is? Let's take a look for a moment at the Quran letter, Hud verse 7, which reads, "And Allah created the heavens and the earth in 6 days." Do you know that 6 days here are not like what we feel on this earth now? Because at that time there was no earth around the sun. The meaning of 6 days here means the 6 stages of the creation of the universe, which is mentioned by Allah in the Quran in Surah An-Nazi'at verses 27, 33, 27. Are you more difficult to create, or the heavens? Allah has built it. First stage, verse 27. The first creation of the heavens. If we go back in time, then we will see the universe was still a single point, which was solid and very hot, and then exploded and spread matter everywhere. Second stage, verse 28, development and perfection. In verse 28 there are the words raising the building and perfecting. The word raising the building is analogized to the expanding universe, so that the heavenly bodies move away from each other and the sky itself rises. The word perfection means that the universe does not just form, but that the formation continues. For example, some stars still appear and some die. Third stage, verse 29, creation of the solar system. In verse 29, Allah made the dark night and the bright day. That means at that time the materials that were previously divided gathered and became solid, then became the sun, and also the planets, which also included the earth that circled the sun, so that day and night were created. Fourth stage, verse 30. Land was made on the earth. At the beginning of the creation of the earth was still in the form of thin dust. Then the dust gathered together so that it became the earth. The land was made into lowlands and also lowlands, and also infinitely wide expanses. Fifth stage, verse 31, the appearance of water on earth. Where did the water come from? Water is thought to have come from comets that crashed into the earth when the earth's atmosphere was still thin. The hydrogen element carried by the comet reacted with the elements of the earth and formed water vapor, and then fell as rain, and then filled the lowlands with water, thus becoming seas, rivers, and lakes. And after the appearance of water on earth, plants appeared that began their role to balance the earth's ecosystem. Sixth stage, verses 32-33, geological processes and the birth of other life. Here it is explained that the mountains are firmly established. This means that mountains were created after land, water, and plants. Mountains were formed due to the interaction between the Earth's plates. After the formation of mountains, animals and humans were created, as stated in verse 33. The Quran is a storehouse of knowledge, in which there are many basic sciences and also applied sciences that are useful for human life. Therefore, the Quran is a guide that explains the darkness of knowledge in the world.